is a delicious vegetable. It adds a huge amount of carbohydrate to your meal. In many cuisine, it works as a main source of carbohydrate. Have you ever thought you can use it as beauty product? Yes, potato can be used in your beauty regimen. Many beauticians suggest potato juice for your skin and hair care. Potato juice comes from raw potatoes. It contains a lot of nutrients, including vitamins B and C, potassium, calcium, iron, phosphorus, and copper. So potato juice is nutrient dense. It offers a wide range of benefits for your skin and hair, additionally for your health. There is a significant amount of vitamin C in potato juice. This nutrient fights cold and infection and play an effective role to strengthen the immune system. If you drink a glass of potato juice regularly, you will be miles away from diseases and will have a strong immune system. Relieves arthritis. Potato juice works wonderfully as an anti-inflammatory drink, which helps to relieve most kinds of pain related with swelling, inflammation, or redness. Experts believe that potato juice can cure arthritis and other joint and back pains comes with arthritis. Traditional remedies also prescribe to apply compressed potatoes to the joints directly or taping a sliced potato to the joint to reduce the soreness and pain. Heals ulcers. You must admit ulcer is a painful and an annoying problem. Scientists at Manchester University discovered that potatoes has unique antibacterial molecules that helps to cure ulcers and heartburn. If you drink a glass of potato juice daily, it will work as a preventive material to stop the development of stomach ulcers. It is also used as an antibacterial probiotic drink. Detoxifies the liver and gallbladder. We consume various foods in daily life. Toxins from these foods and the pollution get stored in our body. So detoxifying your system, especially for the liver and gallbladder, is very necessary. You can detoxify your liver and gallbladder in a simple way, drinking a glass of potato juice daily. Potato juice is an inexpensive way to clean the liver and gallbladder. In Japanese method, potato juice to treat hepatitis. For testing the detoxifying effects of potato juice, drink a glass of potato juice every day at morning or 30 minutes before breakfast. Treatment for migraines. In European traditional medicine, we can see use of potato juice to treat migraine for centuries. Take a slice of potato or potato juice and rub on the forehead and temples to relieve pain, stress, and even migraines. Though there is no scientific research have been done to support this claim, but positive reviews have been recorded from people all over the world. How does it benefit your skin? Potato juice is very healthy, and once you try it, you will not think of any other vegetable that is as good as this is. Let us know some ways our skin benefits from potato juice. Hydrates your skin. There is high amounts of vitamin C in potato juice, which is very helpful for hydrating your skin. To get better result, mix 2 spoons potato juice with 1 spoon yogurt and apply it on the skin. Rinse it off after 15 minutes and you will notice your skin has turned brighter, tighter and moisturized after regular usage. Makes your skin clear and blemish-free. The skin and juice of potatoes have skin bleaching properties. It helps to clear blemishes and even skin tone. This natural ingredient is safe and more effective than expensive chemical-rich creams and ointments. Anti-aging. Potato juice has compounds which works as anti-aging and reduces wrinkles on the face. Mix 2 spoons potato juice with 1 spoon curd, half spoon lemon juice and rice flour, then apply on the face regularly to reduce as well as delay the onset of wrinkles. You can also rub cotton ball soaked with potato juice on your face every day to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Potato juice for hair. Potato juice improves the volume of the hair and treats dandruff, dryness and itching of the scalp. To use it, take the juice of 2 raw potatoes and add 1 tablespoon of honey and the yolk of an egg. Massage this mixture to your hair roots and wash it with shampoo as usual after 1 hour. You will experience amazing results after a few uses. Your hair growth will become faster, thicker, and stronger. How to store it? Make sure you do not make a large amount of juice. Still, by mistake, if there is any left over, grab your ice tray, mix few drops of lemon juice and freeze it. You can use it for a week. Side effects you need to be aware. All good things come with some cautions. Here are a few facts you should know before you start juicing up all the potatoes in your kitchen. You may experience upset stomach, diarrhea, and vomiting if you consume in excess. The sugar level is high in potato juice, so diabetic patients should be careful while consuming it. Pregnant and breastfeeding women need to consult their physician before consuming potato juice. So, after knowing these benefits of potatoes, why are you still here? Go to your kitchen, grab your juicer. Good luck for your new look and good health.